Vanze lets Litabo know that life has always been in front of her when she was crashing out about Bobby kicking her out of the bedroom. While Bobby is serious about marrying Undumi, he even told his mom, Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on the four of us. Bobby had guts to go to his mom to tell her that he is in love with someone else and wants to marry her, Undumi. Mark is like, who is that? Uban Loy. How can you play with Litabo? You've been with Litabo for so long. Bobby Kilitabo. Bobby is like, no ways. All this thing, I was doing it for Umelus, my son. No, Baba. This whole thing is fake. Mina no Litabo and just Tandani. We're not in love, blah, blah, blah. Mark, you can't play with people like that. That's I mean it, ma. I want to marry Undum. Your Umark is defeated now because she loves Litabo and she feels like Bobby should do right by her. Now, Litabo goes into her bedroom, finds that Umafus is busy picking out her clothes. Apparently, Bobby said she must pack them and take them to the guest room. She is kicking Litabo out of their bedroom. Litabo was furious. I really went against it now and Umafus. How can you agree to this? But Umafus utsana guy because she's a helper. She's supposed to do what she's told to do. Now Litabo is crashing out, busy saying to Banzi, oh, can you believe how kicked me out of the bedroom? I can't believe this, blah, blah, blah. Banzi was like, whoa, you've been putting up with this whole thing. These are consequences of your actions. Bobby, ukhombisile many times that akakufuni, but you still following him around. You're still here. You're still staying. If Bobby really wanted to marry you, he would have done that a long time ago. But akafuni, and when you are busy staying here, and Utanda has always been in front of you. Life has always been in front of you. But when you're choosing tears and issue, so ungajeli mina ukuthi you don't know what to do. On the other hand, uBobby ugijimsana noNdumi makes it clear that he really wants Undumi. Undumi feels like, no man, I feel bad. People are calling me a home wrecker. I'm pagatini because Umamvi was like, when are you a home wrecker? How can you be with Bobby knowing exactly that Bobby is unomuntu wakhe? Athi, please fix few things. No little Bobby's like, nope. Mina the only thing engihlalisela lapha umntanami. I love you and I don't want to lose you. Akafuni ukulose Undumi uBobby. Now Bobby is pushed into a corner because now they must pay the guy that they're owing, and goes to Ubaba Mncane to tell him, in that suggestion you made about selling cars, I want in. Ubaba Mncane was so excited nomntanakhe bathi, no, let's do this. Then they go to some traditional healer ozobaqinisa so that they can go and sell the cars. Whereas this man even takes his daughter to these dealings zakhe as he like umshikashi wakhe nje ongaphandle. And Umusani is worried about Ubobias, took out Iwash Kababa and was like, I don't even understand why you made the decision you made, making Ubobi the leader of the your head, like the leader of the company. But Joe, I hope you protect him. Ubobi, Nomomngani, no cousin, they went to steal cars. They came back safe. Ubobi could not believe they made it out safe. It's like it's peaceful. Couldn't believe it. Was so excited. Now they're celebrating. Now we've got Bobby where we want him. Once he takes money, he's not going to let this thing go. Now they're all excited. Mom V is like, I'm finally going to get my bathroom renovated. Cash is coming in. Now everyone is happy. Now Bobby calls Mama siblings work to show them the cars and says that once we sell 10 of these cars, then we're out of debt because sizokwazi ukukhokhela fly the mirror. Now the next thing, sizobase right. He's so excited, celebrating. Ubosani is feeling like something is dodgy la. Laba abancane abayingeni, they're so excited. Bomlubi kanjani when they don't even know ukuthi imoto engaka zibuyaphi. This is all going to backfire, I know for sure. Umnini gets into a fight at school while Seva Umelusi breaking the fight off. And Shem Umnini, it's because like they're always getting up against him. I think if you go to a school, he's in a school where people are rich and he's like the odd one out. Umelusi is always coming through for him. He even took him out Nolianda to their family restaurant to just have a meal. Shem, you can just say Umnini. And then Umnini got suspended from school for fighting. And Ubutake was so disappointed with how Kanjan Umnini. Why would you do this? Why would you be spoke? Why would you get into trouble? Undum is going to lose it when she finds out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.